Before I share with you this super potent herbal hair grease that I'm about to share on today's video, I want you to know that the herbal ingredients we are sharing on this channel, these herbs that you neglect, you see them around and you neglect them. Maybe you think that is for people who are broke, or you think that they are messy, or you think that it is something that is not worth trying. I want you to know that for me to maintain my hair volume, for me to maintain my hair this healthy, long and thick and thriving, is just me being consistent with herbal ingredients, and just with the right ones, just like the one that I'm about to share with you on today's video. I recently discovered something amazing, something that I'm very sure that will grow your hair within 1 to 2 weeks. I'm not even kidding. Before you doubt me that hair doesn't grow in 1 to 2 weeks, just ask yourself, why do men barb their hair every week or every 2 weeks? What are they actually barbing? If you're able to answer that question, just know that hair grows in 1 to 2 weeks. Hair grows, the problem is just that you're not retaining length. Your hair grows every day. Get it? Now, your hair grows every day. The problem is just that you're not retaining length. These herbs that you see me sharing every week with you guys are nature's gift to our hair. Long before chemical products and expensive treatments, people used herbs to keep their hair strong, thick, and beautiful. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural oils that feed the scalp and protect the hair. They nourish from the root. Herbs supply the scalp with nutrients and strengthen hair follicles and encourage growth. A healthy root means a healthy strand. Whatever you feed your root is what is definitely going to replicate for you as your hair strands. Hair prevents common hair problems. They balance the hair. They are safe and natural. That's the best part. All these herbal ingredients, they are very safe. The best part is that you like it and you continue, and the worst part is that you don't like it and you discontinue. So without further ado, let's move on to today's video. First off, grab a bowl, make sure it is sterilized, make sure it is clean. Our first ingredient is rosemary. Guys, you've been hearing about rosemary on the internet. You have heard so many good things about rosemary. But let me tell you a few points that I truly love about rosemary. Rosemary shows promise for promoting hair growth by improving blood circulation to hair follicles, reducing inflammation, and potentially inhibiting the hormone DHT, which contributes to hair loss. Studies suggest it may be as effective as minoxidil. Did you hear that? So grab about 1 tablespoon of rosemary, the dried ones, into your dry mill blender. Just measure out 1 tablespoon of that into your dry mill blender and go on ahead to blend it into a smooth powder. So just as I'm doing, if you like this blender, you can get it on Amazon. Transfer that into the clean bowl, and then moving on to the next ingredient, we've got shea butter. Guys, I have about two different butters, but you can feel free to use one out of the two, or you can use the two if you're able to access the ingredients or the two butters. So here is my shea butter. Don't worry, shea butter comes in different colors. It can come as yellow, it can come as this color. If you know the type that I'm using, the color, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. I'm just using about 2 teaspoons, and you know that's a lot. By the time you scoop it out, that's measuring more than like a tablespoon or so. So moving on to the next butter that I use, I've got mango butter. So we are just going to be, this is what it looks like. It looks like kind of milkish color, or I don't know. So we are also going to be using that in 1 to 2 tablespoons. Oh, sorry, 1 tablespoon. Now, this is the icing on the cake, which is our potent hair pomade or hair fertilizer. This is just our hair grease, so I'm just going to be scooping that in 1 teaspoon. Now this is the combination of all the oils that I've been making on the channel. What I usually do is I combine it into a very big bottle. As I'm transferring it into the bottle, like I fetch from the bottle to use. So please do not discard yours. So you can just feel free to transfer it into a bigger bottle and fetch from there and use. That's a way of combining different herbs and using into your hair and different products. Basically all I would do is just to set up a DIY double boiler method, and then I transfer my bowl in it, allow this to melt. As you can see, everything had already melted, and then I'll go on ahead to strain this just to get my butter or my hair grease. Guys, I kid you not, this product is very effective. Try to make it the way that I made it. You can maybe add 1 or 2 things to it in the form of essential oils. You can add about 5 drops of essential oils to yours, different types, but make sure to use 5 drops for this quantity of product that we are making. Yeah, so once I'm done straining, for preservation you can add 1% of vitamin E oil. That's what is going to preserve this for months, even for years. Yeah, make sure water doesn't come in contact with this product. Just add few drops of vitamin E essential oil, or basically just add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E essential oil. That's what is going to make this last for long for you. So do not refrigerate this. That's if you don't want the consistency to be everywhere. Just allow it on your tabletop in a cool, dry place. Allow it to set on its own. You don't need refrigeration, because refrigeration might alter the consistency or make it look somehow when you're trying to thaw it, or when you're trying to I don't know, just when you're trying to thaw it. Yeah, so use this to apply from your roots to your hair tips. Apply it on your scalp once in a week. The reason why you don't need to apply this on your scalp every day is just so your scalp doesn't get clogged. So that's just all you have to do. Let your scalp not get clogged. Use that once in a week. And then for your hair, you can use it on your hair shaft every 2 to 3 times in a week. Yes, you can even use it as pre-poo. The best way to use it as pre-poo is just to melt it. Melt it, put it in your microwave, melt it, let it be liquidy, and then apply it warm on your hair strands. Yeah, very good as pre-poo. If you try this, forget about shedding and breakage. Is goodbye to shedding and breakage for you. Just do it the way I just explained now. Place it in your microwave and then use it warm as your pre-poo. Cover up your hair until the next day. You're going to love up on your hair when you try this. That's all for this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.